Hey, how's it going guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toasty Bros, and today we're going to be building a gaming PC using the all-new Intel Arc A750.
And we're going to be giving it away, more on that later. But what we have right here is an Intel GPU, a higher-end Intel GPU. We did a build video with the A380, which was like the budget one. This one right here is actually a very capable mid-range GPU. We're going to see how great it actually is in gaming after we put this build together. But first, a word from today's sponsor.
Huge thanks to ProtoArc for sponsoring today's video. Today we're taking a look at their brand new Kickstarter for their ProtoArc Modular Hub Mouse. This amazing mouse and hub combo is extremely compact and portable. The mouse itself charges with a USB-C cable at 60 watts for a super fast charge. The mouse is super sleek and slim and very comfortable to hold. This mouse can even be pre-programmed for multiple devices for ease of use, and its battery can last up to 6 months on standby. And most importantly, this mouse includes a 3-in-1 hub, allowing for easy and quick access to most any data, storage, or video cable needs you may have, while being super easy to tuck away or pull out at a moment's notice. It is the perfect device for meeting, entertainment, home, or travel needs. So big thanks to ProtoArc for sponsoring today's video, and make sure to check them out in the description down below.
So as you guys heard Matt say earlier, we are going to be giving this finished PC away after it's been benchmarked and tested over at twitch.tv/toastybros December 9th. So 2 days after this video comes out, starting at 11 a.m. ending at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard, we will be live on twitch.tv/toastybros, and we're going to be giving away lots of gift cards, playing lots of games, doing fun challenges, and we're going to be giving away this PC to a lucky winner.
So if you want to stay notified on this giveaway or future giveaways, definitely join our Discord community, discord.gg/toastybros, and definitely follow the Twitch channel, twitch.tv/toastybros, and you'll be notified whenever we go live or do anything cool like that. So be sure you're doing that.
So the A750 is a really cool graphics card with 8 gigs of VRAM, and it actually performs pretty close to an RTX 3060 from the testing that we've seen, and the price point looks pretty good on it too, so it's gonna be fun doing an all Intel build, and this is just awesome that we can finally do that. You know, for years we could do an all AMD build, but Intel was a little bit left out. So now we get to do that, we get to benchmark it, we get to build it, see how well it does, and I'm excited.
And this case is very unique. I'm very excited to build in it as well. Let's do it.
So for the CPU, we have the i5-12600K, which is a 10-core, 16-thread processor because we have the efficiency and the performance cores. This is where it starts, is the 12600K. Now, of course, we could have gotten the F, but we accidentally ordered the wrong one. You don't need integrated graphics. That's what the F means, is it just takes away the integrated graphics, makes it a little bit cheaper to manufacture. We do have a graphics card, so yeah, we don't need it, but hey, if we ever have to troubleshoot and take the graphics card out, it is nice to have a non-F. Now to cool it, we have a very, very beefy cooler, probably one of the beefiest air coolers I've seen in a while. This is the Montech Metal D224 Premium, and you know, I just noticed it's the metal edition, which we have the metal fan sitting over there somewhere. And yeah, that's like Montech's new thing. They're going with these metal fans that are actually pretty affordable. I think they're about $8 to 10 bucks per fan. Look at a company like Noctua with their non-RGB fans that are like $10 to $20 per fan. It's really not too bad, but 270 watts max TDP on this cooler. I don't think there's anything on the market that this can't cool. For the motherboard, we have an MSI Pro Z690 DDR4. We just really like MSI boards. They've always been really dependable. They look really nice. I love some of the cool cutouts they do for SATA ports and whatnot. It has Gen 4 support out of the box, and we did get a DDR4 version, but you can also get DDR5. Spend a little more if you want. Get some DDR5 RAM and a DDR4 board, but this is more than enough for our build. Now, we actually went with 32 gigs of this OLOy DDR4 3200 megahertz. It's 2x16, and we actually went non-RGB, just save a little bit of money. You know, the case has some nice RGB in it, and I guess we're not even really gonna be adding any fans. So
it's got RGB.
You could definitely spend more, load this thing up with fans, get a liquid cooler. This build is definitely more than enough to have that stuff, but we're kind of going just like for the max bang for buck here, and also the giveaway is already expensive, so we gotta save some money somewhere. And lastly, for the SSD, we have the Crucial P3 Plus, which is an awesome NVMe Gen 4 SSD that has up to 5,000 megabytes per second read. And so it's just an awesome SSD. It's 1 terabyte, it's plenty of space. We love M.2s, and we love how cheap that the Gen 4 SSDs are getting.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is an Intel Arc GPU, an A750. They are running a pretty cool promo right now that probably will change at the time of recording this video, but you get a copy of Modern Warfare 2 when you buy this GPU, along with some other gifts. I think it's like 2 like creative suites or whatever. I know Jackson was looking that up. But yeah, this is a very clean looking card. I really like the design Intel went with it. Now the big elephant in the room with these GPUs is driver issues. Intel hasn't been doing this that long. Compared to AMD and Nvidia, they have all the optimization in the world for all older titles. So in older games, we might have some issues issues or some weird things here and there, but it is very important that people go out and buy this graphics card because we want competition in the graphics card space, and if you are bold enough to build a PC with the Arc A750 or win it in the giveaway, I think you'll still be pretty happy. Now this right here, I'm gonna make sure Jackson does have a glare. Look at that. Is the power supply. We have the Thermaltake Tough series. It is a 650 watt Tough Power GF1, 650 watts, more than enough for this PC build, and it's a very reliable unit from Thermaltake, really can't complain there. And for the sleeve cables, because we have to have some sleeve cables, we have the good old AsiaHorse sleeve cables. We'll see if I can remember what color we got.
We never do.
I think I got white. No, I just got black. We got black sleeve cables. I was totally wrong, but hey, we got that going there. So that would add a nice little touch to this PC build. Now in terms of the case, this is a case from Montech. They sent it over and they're very excited about it, and I can see why. It's very unique. This is the Sky 2. It's one of their high-end cases. It has 2 RGB fans right here, so kind of the O11 dynamic vibe, but it also has ventilation all the way across the bottom. So it's a very cool, I guess, metal metallic looking design. Looks very premium, because one of the premium lines. I'm just not a huge fan of the naming scheme. Sky 2. There's Sky 1 looks totally different. I think they probably should have just done a totally different name for it. But regardless, it is a pretty cool looking case, and I think it'll work very well with this Montech air cooler. Montech is a company that not a lot of people talk about, and they make some really good cases for the money. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is build this PC and then test it in some games and have a fun time. Hey guys, so before we run these benchmarks, I do have to mention when we first tested Apex Legends and Warzone, where you see our Let's Play style gameplay, for some reason, resizable bar was not on, which is an essential setting for these Intel Arc GPUs. Not really sure why it wasn't on. I thought I enabled it, but for some reason it wasn't. So you're gonna see some Let's Play gameplay of, well, not so good performance, and then following that during the built-in benchmarks, you're gonna see the performance with resizable bar on, and spoiler alert, with Warzone, it's a significant increase, so definitely do that if you're building this PC. Now let's get into the benchmarks.
All right guys, we're playing Apex Legends. We're at 1080p, high settings. I'll show you guys the settings in just a second. After I kill everyone in this game, okay.
I will say while Jackson is playing, we were having some weird issues with the Arc GPU drivers. I installed the driver and then it worked, and then I installed the latest driver and it crashed multiple times. But I'm assuming the driver is working properly now because, woo, we're here. One weird thing I did notice, the GPU is actually being utilized perfectly now, but right before we got into the game, the CPU was maxed out at 100% and the GPU was only at 30, which is very weird for a 12600K. So I don't know if these Intel GPUs rely heavily on the CPU to process stuff ahead of time.
It had to warm up.
It had to warm up. So, I don't know, kind of weird, but so far performance is looking pretty good, pretty close to max settings, 1080p. That's probably another issue.
Oh God.
Now his mouse has appeared on screen. Oh. Oh, yes. Yes.
Why is this guy like stuttering around? Oh my God. Wow. Dude, this guy's pissing me off. He's sitting still.
Oh! Your teammates are struggling. There you go.
I can only snipe, clearly. I can't hit shotgun shots for whatever reason. But yeah, Apex Legends, pretty new AAA title that this should definitely be well optimized for, and it's not bad. Had a couple of like weird things here and there. I don't feel like the mouse is like, I don't think this happened last time we tested an Intel GPU.
Yeah.
But we'll see what happens in the next game.
Next game. All right, gamers, we are now in Warzone, and we are at 1080p. We are on these graphics. We got balanced, which is like low, high, low, high. I will say in the warm-up, it wasn't looking great, but we'll go ahead and drop in and see what the performance is like. It might be to do with just some of the settings I have running. We are using basically the Intel equivalent of DLSS. As you can see right here, the Intel XESS. It's beautiful, isn't it? Now, yes, Warzone is a very demanding game, and some people have reported issues of optimization problems, even with some higher-end hardware. From our testing, it's been pretty solid, but we might have not tested something like this that, you know, it's just struggling a little bit.
A little out there, you know?
Little out there. Intel Arc. I am dropping with a bunch of people I don't expect to survive for very long. Oh! My man just barged.
Semi-auto.
Push me, I dare you. Okay, never mind. Oh, there's somebody. Ah, there's multiple people here. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of people there. This guy keeps talking to me and I want him to shut up.
Ooh, that's gonna be an easy one now. I don't think he didn't even see you. You're gonna get both of them. You got this. You got this. Dude, that dolphin dive was so, like, you had to wait so long for you to
I know, I was like, here I go. Oh, whoa, whoa!
Oh, what?
Ah!
These have to be bot lobbies. What's happening?
What? This is not a real lobby. These guys are so bad. What is this?
That's reinforcements, Bubby.
Is this some weird, like, those are AI?
Yeah, they have to be.
I didn't know there's AI in this mode. I was expecting to play against AI.
Yeah, that was a real guy.
Yeah. Oh! No, he left another
Dude,
bomb.
I saw it, like, come up to me. Like, what is that?
Wow, he got me. But, yeah, that's Warzone. It's weird. I don't know what's going on. You know, it's just drivers probably, but we'll run some built-in benchmarks of some other games so you guys can see more performance with the A750, and then we'll just wrap this video up real quick.
All right, guys, we just got done benchmarking some games on this Intel Arc GPU, and you know, overall, FPS-wise and everything, it did pretty decent. We definitely noticed some kind of weird optimization issues that they're still gonna have some problems with on these early on drivers, but we do hope to see them get better and better as they progress. So if you do buy one of these GPUs, keep in mind, they're always making improvements, so you might not have any of the issues that we did in this video.
So yeah, if you wanna build this PC yourself, check the links down below. They will be affiliate links and will help us out. But also, do remember, we are gonna be giving away this PC December 9th over on twitch.tv/ToastyBros. In partnership with our PC Selling Business PC Bros. So be sure to follow that, and yeah, you'll have a chance to win. But let us know what you think of the Arc GPUs down below. Are you somebody who might take the plunge and buy an Arc GPU for your next GPU upgrade or gaming PC? Let us know. They do look really good in this PC build. Hopefully the drivers get there.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Now guys, one last time, do not forget to be there for the giveaway, twitch.tv/ToastyBros. But like we said, PC Bros is making all this possible. So for the month of December, Santa 5 to get 5% off.
PCs, computers, they go burr. They make numbers.
Laptops.
0, 1, beep-boop, ba-boop. Buy PCs from PC Bros. Santa 5, ho, ho, ho. See you guys later, goodbye.
Peace out.